you're self-employed, you've probably heard about the solo 401k. But what about the SEP IRA? Many business owners assume one retirement plan is just as good as another, and that can be an expensive mistake. Today, we're taking a closer look at the SEP IRA, how it works, why many business owners choose it, and a few important things you should know before deciding whether it's the right retirement strategy for your business. Hi, I'm Lisa Marie Odeja, CPA, EA, former federal government auditor, and an advanced tax strategist at Pinnacle Financial Services, where I help real estate investors and growth-focused business owners legally reduce taxes through proactive tax planning so they can keep more of what they earn. Let's dive in. So, what is a SEP IRA? A SEP IRA stands for Simplified Employee Pension Individual Retirement Arrangement. Now, don't worry about remembering the full name. What's important is understanding how this retirement plan works and whether it's the right fit for your business. A SEP IRA is an employer-sponsored retirement plan that allows employers to make retirement contributions for themselves and, when applicable, for their eligible employees. Now, if you're self-employed with no employees, you're both the employer and the employee, allowing you to contribute toward your own retirement while potentially reducing your taxable income. Let's next talk about why business owners like SEP IRAs. So, business owners often like SEP IRAs because they're generally easy to establish, easy to administer, tax deductible, and flexible from year to year. And unlike some retirement plans, you're not necessarily locked into making the same contribution every year. If business is good, you may choose to contribute more. On the other hand, if cash flow is tighter, you may contribute less or even skip a contribution altogether. That flexibility is one reason many business owners appreciate this type of retirement plan. Now, let's discuss who should consider a SEP IRA. A SEP IRA may be worth considering if you are self-employed, own a small business, want a straightforward retirement plan, and prefer fewer administrative requirements. However, just because it's simple doesn't automatically make it the best choice. Here's one of the biggest things business owners often overlook. If you have eligible employees, you're generally required to contribute the same percentage of compensation for eligible employees that you contribute for yourself. That's why choosing a retirement plan isn't simply about opening an account. It should fit your business, your workforce, your cash flow, and your long-term goals. And here's something many business owners don't realize. If you have employees, don't automatically assume a SEP IRA is off the table or automatically the best choice, because depending on your workforce, your business structure, and your long-term goals, there may be legitimate planning opportunities that should be evaluated before making that decision. That's exactly why retirement planning should be part of a proactive tax strategy rather than a last-minute tax season decision. Now, before opening any retirement plan, there are some questions you should ask yourself, such as, do I currently have employees or do I expect to hire employees? How much do I realistically want to contribute each year? Is my business income consistent? Am I looking for simplicity, or am I trying to maximize my retirement contributions? These questions are important because the answer to these questions can have a significant impact on which retirement plan is best for your unique situation. Now, one of the biggest mistakes I see is business owners choosing a retirement plan simply because someone told them. This is the one I have. Retirement planning isn't one size fits all. The best retirement plan depends on your income, your business structure, your employees, your cash flow, and your long-term goals. And that's why I always say that retirement planning should always be a part of your overall tax strategy and not simply a last-minute decision before filing your tax return. Now, in summary, a SEP IRA can be an excellent retirement planning tool for the right business owner, but it's not automatically the best choice for everyone. The best retirement strategy is the one that's designed around your business and not someone else's. If you'd like to determine whether a SEP IRA or perhaps another retirement plan is the best fit for your business, I'd be happy to help. Simply schedule a consultation using the link below or by scanning the QR code on your screen. And during that initial meeting, we'll discuss your goals, your current situation, and how my firm works. From there, we'll decide whether we're a good fit to work together, and if we are, we'll discuss the next steps. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it with another real estate investor who could benefit from this information. And remember, the goal isn't simply to pay less tax. The best tax strategies are proactive, effective, and defensible. At the end of the day, it's not what you can take, it's what you can defend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.